Morning, sir. Do you have a few minutes? I would like to discuss about the plan about two days business trip.
Good morning. Yes, of course. Please have a seat. So, we are going to Surabaya, right? Can you remind me the main purpose of this trip?
Yes, your destination is Surabaya. Let me check this for you. The main purpose of our trip is to represent our company at the annual Innovation Expo. And also, you will have a meeting with our regional branch in East Java.
Ah, yes, I remember now. So, how we are getting there? I hope the schedule isn't too exhausting.
Don't worry, I have arranged everything for your comfort. For transportation, I booked a direct morning flight via Garuda Indonesia. I choose this flight because flying in the most time efficient, and a premium airline will allow you to rest well before the busy schedule.
Oh, excellent choice. What about the accommodation?
The accommodation, you will stay in deluxe room at GW Marriott Hotel in Central Surabaya. The main reason I choose this hotel because it is strategic location. It's only 10-minute drive to the expo center and very close to our regional branch. This will help you to avoid the heavy traffic.
Wow, that is very thoughtful of you. So, how does my schedule look for the 2 days?
Okay, here's a brief overview. On day one, your flight departs at 7 a.m. After checking into the hotel, you will attend the expo at 1 p.m. In the evening, at the 7 p.m., I have arranged a dinner meeting with two prospective clients at a restaurant near the hotel.
Okay. Day one is quick ticket, and what about the day two?
Okay, on day two, you will visit our regional branch at 9 a.m. for the quarterly review meeting. And at afternoon, there will be a networking lunch with the local team. And finally, your return flight to Jakarta is scheduled for 5:30 p.m.
Wow, that sounds perfectly organized. Do we have the estimate budget for this trip?
Of course, excuse me? Yes, the total estimated cost is around 7 million rupiah. To break it down, transportation, including your round trip flight and airport transfer, is about 3,500,000 rupiah. Accommodation is estimated at 2 million rupiah. Lastly, I have allocated 1 million rupiah and 500,000 rupiah for your meals and client entertainment.
Got it. By the way, I might need to take some local taxes during the trip. How should I handle those extra expenses?
For any out-of-pocket, like taxes or personal meals, please make sure to keep the physical receipt. So, if you use online transportation, please have a screenshot of the receipt.
Oh, and then I just give them to you when I return, right?
Yes, it is. Exactly. Just hand the receipt to me, and I will process the reimbursement for you. But please remember, our finance department requires all claims to the submitted within 3 days after the business trip.
Understood. Understood. I will keep that in mind. Thank you for organizing everything very well.
You are very welcome. I will send the document very shortly. Have a nice trip, sir.
Alright, thank you.